So we're here at the New York Auto Show and getting to see the Jeep. It's out on the track here, kind of cool. The Jeep's on the track. Yes, there it is. Just coming up and down those trails. It's a Jeep, so it's going to be capable.
Yeah, so this one is a 4xe trim level, so it is a partially hybrid electric vehicle. So testing out its maneuverability. It is not even road. Test out its stability or articulation up at about a 20 to 25 degree tilt on our bank. Oh yeah, it's got a nice wide wheelbase, low center of gravity. So the Trailhawks, for the past probably year or two, they do have an electronic sway bar disconnect, so it gives it a little bit more flexibility underneath.
Yep.
So we're gonna have one tire up in the air, teetering a little bit. Get a little bit of gas and
or electric.
No big deal.
Yeah.
This is the scary part.
Yeah, so gotta give it the beans a little bit, so
hold on tight. Those tires got rubbed up a little bit.
It's a pretty good way to spend the day, huh?
Yeah, so it is about a 42 degree angle up and down. Right there's about 35.
Listen to those tires.
Very cool.